From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the Bitcoin market. And as you can see, the market has certainly rallied quite significantly during the weekend and early on Monday, but couldn't hold on to 10,000. Now, what's truly interesting is that the market couldn't hang on to 10 grand. So this tells me that the market is probably going to struggle to continue going higher. So I'm going to look at this breakdown point as a proxy for buy or sell. If we're above there on a daily close, then I have to be a buyer. And I've been a long time skeptic on Bitcoin for a couple years here at Daily Forex. But I've also told you that when price is going up, you buy. It doesn't matter whether you believe it or not. Price is what matters. And that is my point, where I think Bitcoin will continue to grind to the upside. The fact that we have gone nowhere after just an errant statement over the weekend that the Chinese are going to invest heavily in blockchain, I think this shows some of the naivete of some Bitcoin traders, because much of this spike here was the Chinese elite and wealthy getting money out of the country before China tightened up capital controls again. This happens quite frequently, actually, and far beyond the scope of this article. China cannot afford to have capital leaving the country. So now that the elites have gotten their money out, there's not as much demand. This was probably driven almost wholly on retail. I just don't see a lot of demand out there. Again, could be wrong, and I'm willing to admit that if we get a daily close above this candlestick. That, to me, is a technically bullish signal. That being said, though, volume is dropping off, more than likely leading to a drift lower.